Hey guys, this is Miss Cecilia. Shout out to all the Godsman Boys and Girls Club members. Um, I just want to say that I miss you all so much, and I hope that you are all staying safe, and I hope that you guys are all staying active. I know it's really hard, but we got this, guys. You guys can do it. And I just can't wait until we are all at the club together again. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make flower home decorations. This is a very fun arts and craft, and it's very easy. It's very simple. So I'm going to just show you guys real quick. For this activity, you will just need three simple materials. You will need two pieces of construction paper or any kind of paper that you have, and you will need some scissors and some glue. So let's get started. Go ahead and move this where you guys can see. There we go. So we are going to grab our piece of paper, and the first step is to fold the paper into a fan paper. So you fold on one side like this, and then you turn it around, and you do the same thing. You fold this side as well. Shout out to all my third graders. I miss you guys so much, and I really hope to see you very soon. Okay, so that's the first step. So once you have that, alright, then you move on to the second step. For the second step, you're gonna use your scissors. So you're gonna cut like a triangle, half a triangle shape on the top, like that. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the bottom. And it looks like that. And then you're gonna fold it. Have it nice and folded. And then you're gonna use your scissors again. You're gonna grab your scissors, and now you have two sides, right? And on each side, you're gonna cut in the middle, and you're gonna make kind of like you're cutting like half a circle. Like that. When you open it, it looks like this. And you're gonna do the same thing to the other side, to this side. And it looks like this. So now that you have done this to your first paper, then you're going to do the same thing to your second paper. And you want to make sure they look the same. And then you're going to be gluing them from the bottom of each side. Now I know I said it looks the same. Mine doesn't really look the same, so I'm just going to quickly cut it just to make it look the same. Just make it as even as possible. Doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, then we're gonna glue. So now, grab our glue and we're gonna glue both ends, right? Like that. You're gonna grab your other end and you're gonna glue it. Oh, and make sure, I forgot this step. So you wanna make sure that they're not facing this way, but that they're facing this way. Both of them, right? You want to glue them on there, and you want to make sure that they're on there, really on there, not so that they won't fall. And then you have this. And this part is also very easy. For this part, all you have to do is you have to glue the sides together. And it doesn't matter what side you start on. So if you want to glue this side to this side, you would put you're gonna put glue right here, and then you're gonna grab this side and you're gonna stick it on there, press it on there, and then that's how they're gonna be glued. So I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna grab this side and I'm gonna press it on there. Like that. Okay. And then once I have that, I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna glue this side over to here. So I'm gonna put glue on here. Like that. And then I'm gonna grab this side and I'm gonna glue it on there. I'm gonna press on it too. Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna do this side. So it's looking like this. So now I'm gonna do this last side. We have one side left, and I'm gonna glue it over here on this side. Right here. Press it on there. And once I have that, then I'm left with, it looks like this. So then I'm left with this, right? So I'm going to glue these two ends together. That's all I have to do, is glue these two ends together. Like this. And there you have it, guys. Your flower decoration. And I like to add a little extra something. I'm going to add just a little cute little diamond sticker on there in the middle. I'm going to add it right in the middle. Whoa. And there you have it, guys. Your little flower home decoration. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys are able to make some flower home decorations with mom, dad, siblings, or by yourself. And just have fun with it, guys. You can also, if you're using line paper, you can also go ahead and color the line paper before following all the steps, just so you can add some color to it, or draw a picture. However you want to make your flower home decoration. So again, I hope that you guys are all safe. I hope that everyone is doing well, and I cannot wait to see you all again at the club. I miss you guys so much and cannot wait to see you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.